Welcome to Current Affairs 360. You have got 50 questions and each question carries 1 mark. After the completion of quiz, comment your score in the comment box. Which state's election campaign did PM Modi prepare to launch on 12th October 2025? Bihar. Who offered to resign from the Union Cabinet on 12th October 2025? Suresh Gopi. Which political leader faced criticism after remarks on women's safety in West Bengal? Mamata Banerjee. Which Congress leader commented that free thinking is under attack on 12th October 2025? Rahul Gandhi. Who was reappointed as Prime Minister of France on 12th October 2025? Sébastien Lecornu. Which party was accused of model code violations during Bihar elections on 12th October 2025? Jan Suraj Party. Where did the BSF appoint its first woman flight engineer on 12th October 2025? Delhi. Which veteran Congress leader faced heat for his remark on Operation Blue Star? P. Chidambaram. Which opposition alliance was finalizing seat sharing in Bihar on 12th October 2025? Mahagathbandhan. Which state registered a gang rape case triggering calls for hostel safety reforms? West Bengal. Which border system was launched by the EU on 12th October 2025? Digital Entry-Exit System. Which countries were in conflict over border posts on 12th October 2025? Pakistan and Afghanistan. Which militant group skipped Egypt peace deal signing over US plan? Hamas. Who announced 100% tariffs on Chinese goods starting 1st November? Donald Trump. In which Asian country did over 4,000 flu cases lead to school closures on 12th October 2025? Japan. Which country reappointed Sébastien Lecornu as PM in 2025? France. Which country unveiled the Hwasong 20 ICBM capable of reaching the US mainland? North Korea. Where were peace talks between Hamas and international mediators held? Egypt. Which two nations reported fatal clashes along their border on 12 October 2025? Pakistan and Afghanistan. Which leader's reappointment in Europe was aimed at stabilizing the EU budget? Sebastian Lecornu. Which company announced an AI branch opening in Bangalore on 12 October 2025? Anthropic. Who met PM Modi to discuss AI collaboration? Dario Amodei. Which organization's chairman unveiled new market surveillance measures? SEBI. Which sector faced slowdown due to reduced project auctions in FY25? Renewable energy. US export controls on which items are set to impact tech imports from November? Software. Which country's tariffs triggered global trade tensions on 12 October 2025? USA. Which tech regulation involves India's UPI platform globally? Digital payments growth. Where will Anthropic establish its first office in India? Bangalore. Which entity oversees risk and compliance monitoring for Indian securities markets? SEBI. Which Indian innovation sector partnered with global AI firms on 12 October 2025? Technology. Which country achieved its first ICC full member win in T20I cricket on 12 October 2025? Nepal. Who led England to victory over Sri Lanka with a century in Women's World Cup? Nat Silverbrunt. Which Indian all-rounder starred in the test against West Indies on 12 October 2025? Ravindra Jadeja. Which Indian spinner took key wickets in the same match? Kuldeep Yadav. Which event saw Namibia's historic last ball victory? T20I match against South Africa. Which sport was dominated by Jadeja and Kuldeep Yadav in India versus West Indies? Cricket. In which city did England's Women's World Cup match take place? Cape Town. Which sports team recorded India's domestic league final on 12 October 2025? Football. Paralympic coverage on 12 October included which sport? Athletics. Which international cricket team did India declare 518 by 5 against? West Indies. Which FTA targeting $100 billion investments began on 12 October 2025? India-EFTA FTA. How many jobs is the India-EFTA agreement expected to create? $1 million. Who serves as SEBI chairman as of October 2025? Madhvi Puri Bach. What did SEBI announce to strengthen on 12 October 2025? Market surveillance. Which country's tariffs affected Indian manufacturing outlook? USA. India's renewable project auction volume fell to the lowest since which fiscal year? FY21. Which country invested in India's startup ecosystem on 12 October 2025? Nigeria. Which regulatory body deals with capital markets in India? SEBI. Which region is central to India's infrastructure development push? EFTA region. Which financial policy aims to boost innovation investment milestones in FY26? Vision 2047 plan. Subscribe to our channel for updated current affairs on daily basis. Thank you.